Hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about the topic Operation Research in the Course Research Management Technique. So this comes under the Unit 3 concept. So in this Operation Research, we are going to discuss about the queuing theory. So let us introduce what is meant by Operation Research. So Operation Research is one of the most important concepts that we are going to learn in this in the Unit 3. So this operation research based on the concept of optimization technique. First of all, we are going to derive what is mean by an origin and development of an war. So during the World War time, this operation research technique exists. The operation research technique is nothing but within the limited resource we are going to um, use the various techniques, and also we are going to solve the some of the problem during the static condition. So at that time only the operation research existed. This new approach is very systematic and scientific study of the system, and the name we call it as an operation research. And there will be a scope of operation research is expanded today, which gives a better solution, and also we can decide various problems with the speed and efficiency, and which gives a better solution. So it is one of the decision analysis also. So using the operation research, we can decide the problematic conditions that arises in the various fields. So this operation research applied in various fields like transportation problem, project management, and also um, queuing theory, and then inventory model, etc. So now we are going to discuss the operation research concepts in the queuing theory. So before going to that, there will be limitations in the operation research, so that we are going to discuss. So based on we can formulate the LPP using that operation research concept, that is maximization case, and another one is minimization case. So this is applied in the real world problem, and as well as if you the help of the computer we can solve the large number of computations also using the OR techniques. But unquantifiable factors, some problem involved a large number of intangibles such as human emotion, human relation, that cannot be quantified using the operation research. That is very tedious using the operation research. Then the significant features of the operation research is nothing but so decision making and addressed using the managing decision, and also we can determine the model we used and the values of the parameters. So there will be a various parameters like lambda, mu, or else x1, x2, that is a decision variable based on the objective function, whether it is on maximize z or else minimize z, and we can solve using the digital computer also. The operation research help us in decision making also. So now we are going to discuss how this operation research is applied in the queuing theory. So in the third unit we are going to discuss what is queuing theory. So queuing is nothing but a waiting line. Everyone know the waiting line occurs in all the areas like ration shop, bank, etc. And this plays an important role in the management science also. And this problem has a variety models also. So based on the probabilistic analysis of the waiting line, this model is split it into various types of model 1, model 2, model 3, 4 and 5. So the probability of n customer in the queuing system, and the number of average number of customers arriving in the queue, and as well as the average spent by the customer in the total queue and waiting line, etc. And how many time, what is the probability is busy ideal, also we can discuss using the queuing theory. And also service discipline is nothing but first come first serve, and also last in first out. First come and first serve is nothing but how many customers are coming first and how many customers are coming last, that can be explained using the queuing theory. So first in last out means last customer will be served first, or else first in first out means first customer is served first. And next one is waiting line. So waiting line is nothing but the customer serves at one time, but the customer with the shortest waiting time is served as a first model. And we have to know what is mean by a customer waiting behavior. Balking, So customer decide not to join in the queue. So there will be a waiting behavior. For example, if you go with the balking, reneging, then arriving customers not served. But balking is nothing but customer decide not to join the queue if too long. Jockeying means customer switch between the queues if they think. Reneging means customer leave the customer they have waited too long. Arriving customer means the customer not served and it will be dropped. So these are the parameters based on the queue behavior and the customer behavior also. So sometimes customer may leave the queue due to impatience also. So service facilities, if you go with, there will be a single server, parallel server, and multiple server. Based on the server, we have to define the models also. But if it is a single server means the customer lineup, there is a only one server. Parallel server means customer lineup and there will be a several servers are there. But in a single queue and several queues also available in the parallel server. But in the several parallel server means there are many customers and the customer can decide for your which is queue. Unreliable server means several failures occurs according to the stochastic process also. So these are the concepts available in the queue discipline. Next is um, queue application is nothing but, so queuing theory is applied in various fields and in the computer science, information technology, etc. And not only that, it is one of the applied mathematics also. It helps us to study the analysis of the queue waiting time and diverse range, and we can, using this model, we can investigate the traffic system, computer networks, telecommunication, and several operators, and we can do the research using the queue discipline also. So this we can analyze the problem and find which is the model and so give the solution for the real world, give solution for the real world problems, and also give solution for the various companies also. It will be useful. So thank you for watching this operation research concept. In that we have discussed the queuing theory. Thank you.